I've been building my startup for the past 6 months, but it ends now. There are several reasons why I quit my micro-SaaS. One, because I got hacked and lost money again. But I'll tell more about this later in the video. But first, let's give you guys some context about my project, CreatAI. It's a website where you can generate content for your business. But how did I come up with this idea? Well, nowadays a lot of people want to start their own business, including me. And with starting a business comes marketing. It's one, if not the most important part of building a business. Even if you have a great product, without marketing it won't succeed. So I thought by creating CreatAI, I could help businesses with generating content for their marketing. Building a product that actually gives value to the users. I tried to acquire users by giving them free credits to use the tools on my website. This worked quite well. I got a lot of visitors and real users that actually used my tools. As you can see in the data, it was growing consistently. But now I've decided to quit my micro-SaaS. And there are 4 reasons why. Reason number 1. People are just sick of AI. AI was just hyped too much and right now it's being used just way too much. It seems like everything is AI generated nowadays. And people just dislike the art style of AI. Which is fair, I got some hate comments on my AI videos as well. And I don't disagree with them. Reason number 2. The competition. The competition is just insane right now. There are so many AI projects right now. Most of them are using the same AI models, but just wrapped in another front end. I am not a machine learning developer, so I don't know how to make my own AI models. And I'm not interested in going into that direction. I did ask ChatGPT like how long it would take to be an AI developer, and it would take me at least 6 months to a year. Therefore, it is just near impossible for me to distinguish my project from existing AI projects. To be completely honest, my project also doesn't have a USP, a unique selling point. Just like others, I am also using the same models. I just use OpenAI and Luma AI. My idea was to make CreatAI easy to use, user-friendly, no annoying ads, and make it cheaper than other subscriptions. But that just isn't good enough. Reason number 3. Losing money. To acquire users, I gave free credits so that the users could use the AI tools for free. For the people that don't know, when the AI model gets used, someone has to pay for it. Well, I give free credits to the users, but I still have to pay for it. So generating image would cost me 4 € and generating a video would cost me 40 cents. I was getting visitors and actual users, but they were only using it for free. Only one person paid 5 euros once. That was my first and only sale. But 5 euro is the gross profit. The net profit was 67 cents. In the end I paid way more than I earned, of course. But that isn't the problem. I wasn't focused on making money, I was focused on acquiring users. But what I realized is that the users weren't interested in buying a subscription. They were only interested in using it for free. Reason number 4, the last reason. I got hacked and lost money. Initially what I wanted to do was just let the project run on itself and see if users would subscribe in the future. So I would still give free credits to the users and pay the AI models myself. But then my Supabase database got hacked. So basically what happened is the hacker could alter my database and give themselves unlimited credits. So they could use the AI tools without a limit. He or she started generating videos, approximately 35 videos in total, and this cost me $14. If you're interested about this hack, you can watch this video. I explain how I got hacked, what I think the security issue was, and how I fixed it. I thought I had fixed the security issue, but a few days ago I got hacked again. And again, this person altered the database and gave themselves unlimited credits. This person was just worse than the first hacker. He or she generated videos until my bank account was empty. I lost $20 because that's what was left on the account. Besides generating videos, the hacker also generated images. They generated a lot. I lost $14. I actually don't know how they did it this time. I changed my code, I thought it was fixed, but they still could alter my database. They must have access to my API keys somehow. But to my knowledge I didn't leak any API keys. And I also set up roles, so that not everyone can alter the database. But yeah, I just sent the 2 hackers an email asking if they could maybe explain how they did it so I can learn from my mistake and fix the bug. But until today they both haven't responded. I now also have to disable the tools on the website. It's also stated on the website. The tools are disabled due to an exploit. I want to be transparent and honest as possible. That's why I put that text on the website. I want to show you guys the real and honest journey of a self-taught developer. The ups and downs, the mistakes, the struggles, and of course also the victories. But you might wonder right now, DevToad, how much did you actually make from this project? Well, let me calculate for you guys. Buying the domain from Hostinger cost me approximately 5 euros for 1 year. I spent around 40 euros on Luma AI, another 40 euros on OpenAI. So in total I spent like 85 euros. I made 5 euros with one sale. So my net loss is 80 euros. So yeah, because of the hacks and the loss of money and the lack of a bright future, I decided to quit my project. I don't regret the time that I spent on the project because I've learned a lot. I've learned how to use Clerk, Supabase, webhooks, API calls, Stripe payments, and much more. I got a lot of visitors and actual users for my project, and it was the first time, so I was very happy. I even made my first sale. So in a way, this project was quite a success for me. More like a personal success than a financial success, of course. To my loyal supporters, don't you worry guys. DevToad is not going to quit. I already have ideas for new projects. In fact, I already started with a new project. Videos about my projects and journey will keep coming. Thank you guys for your support.